Do I need a media kit? So a media kit can be useful. It can be a useful tool for promoting your company and its products or services to journalists and bloggers and other members of the media. And it provides information about your company in a very convenient, easy to access format and can help journalists understand what your company does and why it's newsworthy. And if you're looking to increase media coverage of your company or its products or services, a media kit can be useful, and it can be a useful way to do so, especially if you're going to events where media will be present. Now, a media kit is not necessary for every company, or more accurately, not necessary right away. You'll first want to focus on pitching and then turn your attention to creating a media kit. And the good news is, though, that it is that they're really easy to make. So here's what I would suggest including if you're at that point where you want to create a media kit for yourself. So first, story and mission. The next thing would be company facts, and then product or facts about your services, and then FAQs. Branding. This could include your logo, maybe a featured product photos, and make these high resolution, or make them at least things that you know the media could run with without getting prior approval from you. The next thing would be include information about the people on your team, specifically your VIPs. This would possibly be your executives. It could be your director of a nonprofit. It could be if you have a scientist on your board, anything like that. The next, you want to include quotes that could be lifted and placed into stories. It could be quotes from your VIPs. It could be quotes regarding testimonials about your products, anything like that would be relevant. The next thing to include would be press releases if you have them, press coverage if you have it, and if you don't have any of those, you can include awards. And then the final thing would be charity and nonprofit work. I would also suggest creating a media contact list or contact email, this can be as simple as inquiries at your website or media at your website, and also include social media accounts, and if it makes sense, stats for your social media accounts.